So my name's Nick Griffiths. I'm one of the business development directors here at Polygon. Been with the business 5 years. So I think we're in quite a privileged position actually in our team, in that we are part of the central sales function. So what that means is that we actually work with each of the Polygon divisions across the UK. So it's quite nice for us in that it means that we're able to work with everybody from plastic surgeon, PDRS, MCC. So we get to see quite a broad view, if you like, of the Polygon UK-wide divisions. Working at Polygon makes me proud. Proud that we're able to work for the market leader in the DR&R space. Our core values mean everything to me. They should underpin everything that we do in this organisation. Every interaction that we have with a customer, a client, with each other should be underpinned by our core values, and that will, in turn, deliver the world-class outcomes that we're looking for on a day-to-day basis. First and foremost, we're a central sales function, so we get the opportunity to work with multiple divisions across Polygon in the UK. But also, it's the fact that it's a customer-facing role as well. So, we get to go and sit in front of our customers, talk about what works for them, help to shape our offering to our customer base. You should come and work for Polygon because we are the market leader in the DR&R space. Everybody says that, right? But has everybody else actually got the true capabilities that we've got? I'm not sure that they have. We can literally handle everything from a spilt glass of red wine on the carpet right through to a major complex loss and everything in between. So in terms of training and development, I think there are two real aspects where I've received some exceptional support from Polygon. First and foremost, when I first moved into the role, I came from outside the industry. So I was able to complete my BDMA Claims Practitioner course, which gave me a degree of technical knowledge that gives me credibility to talk about the industry in front of our customers. And secondly, more recently, I've took part in the first run of the Elevate course, which is a 9-month program that's been implemented this year to help people with their leadership capabilities and skills, and that was just recently completed. And I understand that that's now being rolled out to a number of other colleagues as well, which is great to see. So if I was to sum up Polygon in one word, could I have two? World class.